What's in there?
Cold!
Cameron, go look. Oh, pretty.
Oh, it fits me!
It fits you?
Oh, and the skirt? Petty!
That is.
Oh, Petty! Oh, Petty!
Oh, that is pretty. Look at that princess shirt.
Petty!
Who's all wanted next?
Petty! Petty! Petty!
Oh, that is so cute.
Nicholas, can you fit that little box?
Petty!
Oh. Oh, those are the cutest.
Oh, that's fancy.
Yes.
That's fancy.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about that, Aunt Jen?
Fancy.
Is that pretty nice?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to say to her?